video is the M&P shield. We're going to do a complete disassembly. First thing you're going to do is hit this button, remove your magazine. Always open up, slide lock, and inspect that you have no rounds in there. Don't want this thing going off. Next thing you're going to do is slide this lever right here forward, like so. And then you can see it's already coming apart. And the next thing you're going to do is undo the slide. At the same time, kind of pull the trigger and pull forward. And then you got it removed. And we're going to take apart all the pieces. Next thing is the spring. Kind of push forward and up. Comes out. And then you can remove your barrel. And you get it all apart. Usually what I do is I will definitely be putting a little bit of oil on every single part inside, clean all of these pieces, get it all nice and clean until you get no more gunpowder basically coming back at you on a white towel. Same thing, do the same thing, clean inside there. I usually wipe that down. Sometimes I use Q-tips just to get in there and get it really clean. Put a little bit of oil. And then there's usually a brush, and you want to clean the inside of your barrel. Make sure it's nice. You're not getting any gunpowder anymore, any residue left in there. Then clean the outside. Once you have all that done, now you're going to put it back together. Barrel goes back in. That part goes up. Your spring, you're going to stick it in the hole, which is in this front part. Stick it in. Push in so it locks down into that little hub right here, or that little piece. Now you got it on there. That's good. Oh, you're going to put this gun back together. You're going to line it up on the lines on the rail. Put it in. Draw it back. And usually you want to do it a couple times, like slide, just to make sure you have it nice and lubricated. All is good. You're going to push this slide back into place. There you go. It'll automatically go in as soon as you rack it all the way back. And again, I usually rack it open, double check, make sure you don't have round by any chance. All is good. You can put your slide back in, or your magazine. Put your safety on. Your gun is clean. Some good rounds for home defense for your magazine. Or some Horner D home defense. So that's a 9mm. This would be a 9mm regular round. As you can see, they're a little different. This is hollow point, so that way if you're using it for home defense, it's better. You don't have any mess. And just a comparison to a 40. That's a 40 caliber. You know, just a little bit more width. That's it. A good for carrying is a Graco. So there you go, there's Graco right there. And I can show you. It slides nicely inside the waistband. Locks in pretty good. And it's very comfortable to wear. I've had this thing for years and it still looks brand new. A lot of them get worn or they get worn up in these spots. This one's really nice. There's your 9mm.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.